Yo, what's good, everybody? Yo, what's good, everybody? We are going fishing. We're going to Lake Berryessa. Gonna be doing some camping with a few friends. So, gonna be staying there for like, how many days are we staying there for? Like 2 nights, or yeah, like 2 days? Gonna be staying there for like 2 days. Hopefully, we can stick a gordita for you guys. So, stay tuned. But dang, Sheldon, I can't even get any shots like this. Look how dirty this. Yeah, baby, we made it out to the lake. So, officially out here, Lake Berryessa. Very first time fishing here, so we'll see how it goes. Heard that there's spots out here, smallmouth, largemouth, so hopefully we can get that trifecta for you guys. Day one, baby!
Day one.
Let's do it!
What time is it?
Skin 5, skin 30. First largemouth, Lake Berryessa. Oh, there you go, that one.
Yeah?
Yep.
There you go. And quick release.
Yep.
You were reeling that up, weren't you?
Yeah. Got another
again?
One. Yep. Oh!
That was a good one. That was freaking 4 pounds easy.
Gotta adjust this thing. Oh, got one. Right when you hit water, you see that?
I like you. What on the head? In the head? Is that a smallmouth?
Yeah, smallie.
Smallie. I've done that before.
Did you hit it on the head?
Put on a jig.
Yeah. Little smallie, almost. Gonna get that trifecta. Nice. We met it.
Ready?
All 3 species.
My stuff.
Look at what that spot spit up right now. I've never seen this before. You know how tiny this is? I don't know if my GoPro can see that.
It really sucks.
All right, let me see.
I literally dropped it in there. Yeah. He just started swimming with it.
Nice. Good fish. Yep. Oh!
Oh! Hey there, little doggy.
Woo! There you go. What the freak?
There? He was tail slapping it.
Yeah, did you see that?
He was tail slapping it. That was weird.
You got him?
What?
Yo, we are having tons of fun out here.
We are.
Catching them. Topwater, jerkbait.
Releasing them.
Catching them, releasing them.
Keeping them.
Jigs, everything. Got some nice
Wait, which one?
structure. We don't get to see this every day, so definitely fishing it. Smallmouth, yep.
Yeah.
Ooh, there you go.
Oh, good small.
Nice.
Yeah, he is.
Oh, there you go. He's got it. He missed it and he came back. Huh? Nah, I don't think so. Oh my God. What's up with me today and losing fish, bro? There you go.
That's a good one. I think it's a good one.
Yes, I am. I'm going. No, that's all right.
Sorry.
Bro, they are spitting everything. There you go. Okay, that's a fish.
Topwater. This is gay.
Stay down.
He's on the top.
Stay.
Stay down, 1 pounder.
Stay down, 1 pounder. Oh, yeah, stay down. 1 pounder.
Get him in the boat. Doesn't count yet. And
Yes. About time. After losing several fish, got this little one to stay on. Oh,
he sounded good for a second.
yeah, dude, that's what I was telling you.
Sideways.
In the mouth.
You can get off.
Let's see it. Let me see. Oh, there you go.
Oh, that's a good one.
There you go. Yeah, baby. Here, I'll get the net.
He's just hooked sideways.
Oh, okay. You sure you don't want me to?
I got it.
Good job, guys. Yep. It's not a Kentucky.
Yes, that is. That is a spotted bass.
Oh, yeah. That's a spotted bass. Yours is it.
Spotted bass ever right there.
All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Nice.